deep inside a wide, peaceful forest, where tall trees whispered, secrets to the wind and sunlight danced, gently on green leaves. There lived an old tortoise named Timothy. Timothy was slow in his walk, slow in his speech, and slow in almost everything he did, but his mind was calm and clear like a still lake. He lived near a small pond under a huge banyan tree, and animals from all around the forest came to him whenever they felt confused, worried, or tired of trying. Timothy had lived a very long life. He had seen many seasons come and go. He had watched tiny plants grow into strong trees and had seen young animals become wise adults. Because of this, everyone respected him. They knew that Timothy never rushed to give answers. But when he spoke, his words stayed in the heart.
Remember, dear friends, even the smallest act of kindness can create the biggest ripple in our shared forest home.
One warm morning, a young deer named Luna ran toward Timothy's pond. Her steps were fast and uneven, and her eyes were full of fear and sadness. She stopped in front of Timothy, breathing heavily, and tears rolled down her soft brown face. Timothy looked at her quietly for a moment and then spoke in his slow, gentle voice. "Sit with me, Luna."
Life has a way of guiding us, even through the darkest paths.
"Tell me what is troubling your heart." Luna sat beside the pond and took a deep breath. She said that she had been trying to learn how to run fast like the other deer. Every day she practiced, but she always fell behind. Her friends ran far ahead, and she felt weak and useless. She believed something was wrong with her and that she would never be good enough. Timothy listened carefully without interrupting.
Sometimes I feel like nobody understands. It's like I'm alone in this big world.
When Luna finished, he smiled softly and pointed to the pond. He asked her what she saw. Luna said she saw water, plants, and her reflection. Timothy then told her to look closely. He explained that the pond had not been made in one day. It was filled slowly by rain, drop by drop, over many years. If the rain had stopped because it felt too slow, the pond would never exist. Luna looked confused but curious. Timothy then shared a story from his own life. When he was young, he wanted to reach the top of a rocky hill to watch the sunrise. Other animals climbed it quickly, but Timothy moved slowly. Many times he felt tired and wanted to turn back. Some animals laughed at him and said he would never reach the top. But every day, Timothy climbed a little more. Some days he moved only a few steps. Some days he rested more than he climbed, but he never stopped completely. After many weeks, one quiet morning, Timothy reached the top just as the sun rose. The sky was full of orange and gold light. It was the most beautiful thing he had ever seen. At that moment, he understood something important, that reaching a goal is not about speed, but about continuing even when it feels hard. Luna listened carefully. She began to understand that her journey was her own and did not need to look like anyone else's. Timothy told her that strength grows slowly, just like roots growing under the ground where no one can see them. Days passed, and Luna kept visiting Timothy. She practiced running, but she no longer compared herself to others. She focused on small improvements. She rested when needed and tried again the next day. Slowly, her legs became stronger and her confidence grew. One day, she realized she could run farther than before without getting tired. Word of Timothy's wisdom spread through the forest. A young owl came because he could not hunt well at night. A small hedgehog came because she was afraid to leave her home. A monkey came because he kept failing to learn new tricks. To each of them, Timothy said the same thing in different ways, that learning takes time. Mistakes are part of growth, and giving up stops progress, but patience allows it. As seasons changed, the forest changed too. The owl became skilled and confident. The hedgehog became brave. The monkey learned his tricks. Luna became one of the strongest runners in her group. All of them remembered Timothy's words whenever they felt tired or afraid. One evening, under a sky full of shining stars,
Timothy.
the animals gathered near the pond. They thanked Timothy for guiding them. Timothy looked around at their happy faces and felt peaceful. He knew that his greatest gift was not advice, but helping others trust themselves and their journey. The forest remained calm and hopeful, and whenever someone felt impatient or weak, they remembered the old tortoise by the pond and the truth he lived by every day. Moral message: good things take time. Growth is slow, but it is always happening. Be patient with yourself, keep trying, and never stop believing in your journey.